Alright, Pokemon family, we are back. And today, me and Lucas got a shiny Crobat Vmax. Check that out. So this guy we got at our local GameStop. It was valued for $75, I believe, or 79. And it's 25% off, 30% off. It was only $50 right now at your local GameStop. $50. And they're also giving out a Dragonite promo card.
That's
exclusive GameStop right there.
That's what we were talking about in the live video. That they're gonna give you an awesome promo.
Yep. So last Saturday, we did talk about this. Yeah, GameStop is giving away promo cards again, and this time we got the Dragonite. So here it is, Dragonite promo card, still sealed. Pretty cool. And we got the Golbat, the Crobat.
I know all these Pokemon names, the original names. Shiny Fates is always good.
Yep, hopefully. I like Shiny Fates.
Like.
Alright, so here we go. We got one promo card, two promo cards, which I love this one, the Crobat Vmax. I love it.
The edge right here looks so satisfying.
It looks very satisfying.
The Jumbo looks good.
And we got an awesome coin. Crobat coin. And here
is the Jumbo.
The Jambalaya. Look at that, guys.
Look at his wings right there. It looks, there's like no shine, so it looks satisfying.
Lucas says it looks so satisfying.
Because there's no shiny on the wings. That makes it satisfying and smooth.
It's the first time I see this Crobat Vmax, so I was like, I need to get it. Let's leave this Jambalaya up. Now, if you guys are wondering where we get our sleeves, we order them off Amazon.
That's what I was about to ask.
And you just pretty much gotta look up sleeves for jumbo cards, Pokemon jumbo cards. Lucas said I read his mind because he was gonna ask.
Yeah, why? I was thinking about that in my head.
Alright, moving on up. Oh, look at this, look at this.
Extra packs.
We got 1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, an extra pack.
5, 6, 7 total. Look at that.
They're both 4, it's gonna be 8 packs. That's
we got the Charizard pack. We'll leave at the end.
Because you might pull the shiny Charizard.
That's what we're aiming for.
That's the top 1 card in Shiny Fates.
I also have some Shiny Fates babies that are also awesome cards that I would like to keep getting, you know? They're awesome.
Not gonna get the same.
So here we go, guys.
I forgot.
Wish us luck.
I forgot what baby shinies are.
At the end of this video, please, subscribers, comment down 3 numbers, 1 through 10. 3 numbers, 1 through 10, and we'll be adding some cards to the lottery. So our lottery this week is gonna be a banger, guys. We got so many awesome cards. We already have a Vmax, Togekiss Vmax.
Yeah.
You wanna go grab it? Here's the Togekiss Vmax that we'll be giving away.
So nice.
At the lottery this coming up Saturday, 3 p.m. Eastern. Don't miss out. Write it down on your calendar. 3 and 4. Yes, because this Saturday makes it the third lottery, and if no one wins, that means it goes on the wheel.
Imagine it's double rare, baby shiny, and then. Whoa, that
Ooh, a little Spinnerick, a little Coufant, a little Gossiflower, Coffee.
Can't see the last card, but it's weird.
Oh, look, a little Cacnea.
Baby shiny.
Baby shiny.
I knew it.
Let's go. We got a blip bug. Baby shiny blip bug.
Reveal.
Behind the blip bug.
Oh,
Ooh, Celebi.
it's a.
Non-hollow, but it's still rare.
We got a
Pretty
baby
good.
shiny.
Look at this baby shiny though. Speaking of baby shinies, what I say, guys, I would love to continue my baby shiny hunt, and we just pulled one out.
And that looks like a baby too. Baby caterpillar.
Yeah, it is. That's why they're called baby shinies.
Oh.
Baby shiny. There we go.
Oh my god, we just got so much leaves from that.
So we got this baby shiny. We'll put that up there. I have maybe like 4 of them already, baby shinies.
Yeah. Oh my god, we just got
All
5
right.
greens from here.
So choose one, Lucas.
Okay.
Except the charge.
Oh yeah.
Charge hard 15.
Because me might pull the shiny. Oh, feels me.
Ooh, feels chunky.
Very chunky. If it's chunky, it might not be a rare because there's only like a 10% chance that there's a 20% chance of it was jumbo. Because of its jumbo, that means they just add extra cards. God. Baby shinies.
Let's go, baby shinies.
Come on, baby shinies. We all know the code card's the same.
All right. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
They had like triple
Here we go.
fire energy.
Fire. We got the Rusted Shield, the Cramorant, the Ball Guy,
Yama.
the Yanma,
The Yama.
Snow.
Gnome.
Oh, Coufant. Grookey.
Grookey.
Another
Grookey.
Grookey. Behind the Grookey.
Celebeam again.
Celebeam again. Wow, guys. So Shiny Fates is either hit or miss, pretty much, guys. Look at that. We got Grookey. We got the Celebi, and we had just pulled out another Celebi. Lucas pulled out 2 Yanmas. Wow. All right.
Speaking of hit or miss, we just went to my friend's house and Donnie came with fruit jellies.
Ooh, fruit
And
jellies.
we did hit or miss. I got a hit.
Fruit jellies.
Yeah, it's really hard to keep the jelly in your mouth because it just goes straight down your throat.
1, 2, 3, and 4. We're gonna start with a water energy. Then we got the Cramorant.
That's a water energy still. Rusted
Then we got
sword.
the Rusted Sword. Luxio. Wow, this Luxio is pretty cool.
Kind of sounds like my name. Coffin.
The Coughing. Trapnik.
Rowlet.
Rowlet.
Wow.
Shudo.
Mopeko.
Morpeko.
Mopeko.
Shinx.
Shinx.
Pretty cool reverse hollow Shinx.
And we just got the balls anyway.
Yep. So behind the Shinx, shiny.
Aww.
Trainer boss orders. And the boss orders you to get just a shiny Shinx.
It's hard. Shiny Shinx.
So far we got this shiny Shinx.
A shiny
Alright.
It's a roach.
And the Blick Bug. Alright, choose another one.
Why is the Charizard here?
Oh, we'll set the Charizard.
I was saying how. Oh my god. This one's
Alright, he says that one's chunky.
This is so chunky.
Go for it, chunky boy.
It's probably the chunkiest one. Why is this always so hard to open?
Don't forget, guys, comment down below 3 numbers for this Saturday's lottery pool.
Ew.
Ooh, nice.
Did you see that?
I saw something shiny. We got the Twacky. The
Rusted
Rusted Shield. Rotom. Coffee. Glossy Flower. Rowlet. Bouffant. Spinarak. Ooh, another baby shiny. What?
A Vmax! A double rare!
Double banger.
It's a Vmax.
He got the Delmise
Vmax.
Vmax. Wow, look at how rainbow that is. It looks like a rainbow, but it's not. It's just a Vmax.
We just got a double rare.
Wow.
I didn't even know there's Vmaxes in Chinese.
Look at that.
I thought there was only Chinese.
Oh,
Well,
there's Vmaxes, all right.
Well, that makes sense. Because the Crobat Vmax shiny. Makes sense.
So finally, we got a good banger right here. We got
I got
a
lucky hands.
Delmise.
I'm always getting. Me and Donnie had the lucky hands.
Oh yeah, you and Donnie have very lucky hands.
Oh, you got the Charizard.
And we got the shiny, baby shiny Drizzle.
Yeah, you got the Charizard pack. Because.
Nice.
Wait. Yeah.
All right. So I'll choose one. I'll choose this one.
Because that's yours and this is mine, and then it's your turn for the Charizard. Wait, should we do a pack battle since there's only 2 left?
You want a pack battle, and then we just pull out the Charizard? Okay, open this one.
Yeah. No,
right.
for the Charizard, for the double.
Okay, so whoever wins this is gonna open the Charizard. All right.
No, we're gonna open that pack. Then there's just these two.
So
left.
you want to go against the Charizard?
Yeah.
All right. So he wants to go against the Charizard. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
He's filled both chunky. Oh.
Oh.
I thought I saw something.
Thought you saw something? Team Yell Towel. Another Luxio, but regular. Floatzel. A Snom. Trapnik. Nickit. We got the little Weasel, Buzo.
The version of it.
Another Shinx.
So much doubles.
Another team.
Slowly.
But this is a reverse hollow Team Yell Towel.
Slowly. Aww.
Oh, Sarud.
Okay.
Non-hollow Sarud.
It's time for
Pretty
us.
awesome card though.
But it's time for us to go for the Charizard.
So I'll put these 2 up here.
Pack battle alerts.
Pack battle alert. Pack battle alert. Lucas wants to go against the Charizard.
Dude, we're gonna be rich if we get that. PSA
Ready?
10. If we get that, if it's PSA 10, we're rich.
If we get that Charizard.
Shiny, we're rich. Nope. Go my go. I just.
It's for you guys.
Shiny Fates is always so chunky.
Yep.
I was like, is it 3 or 4?
4. 1, 2, 3, and 4.
And I was like,
All right. Let's see how we're gonna do this. We're gonna put them right here.
Oh, they're
Got it?
almost the same.
All right. First card. Then I got the Tricks and Rotom. Then we got the Ball Guy, Floatzel.
Rusted Shield.
Gym Trainer versus Rusted Sword.
And they're both trainers.
Ooh,
Oh,
double Morpeko. Morpeko versus Morpeko. Cacnea versus Nickit.
And the kids.
Horsia versus Eevee. Bouffant versus Gossy Flower. Chudo versus Chudo. Put it right here. Yeah, a little bit closer. There you go. Chudo versus Chudo. Holy moly!
It's a
We
double
got
tie.
double banger. I got a
Kyogre.
a Kyogre, but this is a rainbow Kyogre, guys. You see that down there? That's the rainbow sign.
And I got.
And Lucas got a
shiny.
awesome baby shiny.
Slowly.
Ready? Oh.
Oh, I got a hollow.
Hollow?
Yeah.
Oh, you did. Well, I got a regular Volcanion,
And I
non-hollow,
and I got
and
the
Lucas
Frost,
got himself the
the
Frostmoth
Frostmoth.
hollow.
So who do you think won?
Yep. So who do you guys think won? Was it the Frostmoth with the baby shiny,
Or
was it the Volcanion with that Kyogre special edition
Rainbow?
guys?
So which pack do you think won? Charizard or whatever that pack was? I don't know.
Now let me sleeve all of them up. Don't forget, guys, comment down below who do you think won.
Today was a banger.
And don't forget to give me your 3 numbers, 1 through 10.
I wish it was Friday trade day.
Friday trade day?
Yeah.
We haven't had one of those in a while, but we'll see when we start doing them again.
Because I got some shinies to trade. Like, yeah, the Crobat.
Alright, guys. Well, don't forget, like, subscribe.
And as
always,
that I said, and
Lucas,
it's one love.
Lucas Ketchum with the one love. Alright, guys, you hear those sirens? Well, it's our giveaway cards for today. And today, here's this promo card I forgot to give you guys at the beginning. Today, we're going to add this Frostmoth plus these 3 reverse hollows to the wheel, right? So these will go straight to the wheel. And now for our lucky giveaway. Remember, you must be subscribed. Here we go. The Demise Vmax, guys. Alright, so one lucky subscriber who can tell me what is 21 plus 15 minus 10. Alright, guys, don't forget, like and subscribe. And as always, have a beautiful day.